I made a video of my other bike around 6 years ago, I believe August 2014. And I decided to make another video in the same location with a different bike. Brief check on the bike will be a Thros, Chinese company, carbon frame, hardtail, 17 inches, 72 degrees angle on the seat tube. Race face, I believe it's 30 millimeter or 50 millimeter stem, but I think it's 50. Yes, 50. Race face, 160 millimeter. I'm sorry, 1,160. So it's like 26 inches long. XD Dior brakes, hydraulic. I have a Foxflow Evolution Series 27.5 fork, 100 millimeter traveler with the Koshima coat. Odi handlebar grips. I decided to buy the same Cell Italia, handcrafted in Italy, SL fiberglass on the bottom saddle. This is a SE or E8 carbon fiber seat post, 27.9. I removed the knobby neck tubeless that I had to give it a break because I was doing a lot of pavement, and I bought this Blackburn 27.5 2.1. It does very well on gravel. Puncture wise, it's also very good. I'm running tubes in the back, and with that comes the weight. So I added like a pound and a quarter on the bike, which I'm not too crazy about it, but it's good for the other tire to take a break. I have SRAM GX 175 millimeter with a 32 chainring. Shimano Dior XD 8020 pedals, clickless SPD. I'm running a SRAM NX 12 speed because that was the only thing compatible for the rear hub. I didn't want to change the hub on the back since it was new, so that there weighs a ton. That really kills the bike weight. Also, the rotors are cheap and they are pretty heavy, but in terms of mechanically, it's pretty good. I have a GX derailleur in the back. Like I said, I'm running 112 carbon fiber rims, and that's briefly. She rides very, very, very well. I like how responsive it is, and it's pretty solid. Okay, that's it.